Alright, so I bought these headlight casing replacements for a 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And they're called Eagle Eyes. And they are not easy to install. Because Jeep headlights are supposed to just pop out, pop in, no screws. And for the most part, popping out, that's what they did. But they are not popping back in. And you can see the quality difference between these. These are cheap, brittle, shiny plastic, and the originals are much better quality, and the clips are ABS plastic as well. And these are not fitting over the clips. They're really hard plastic. Also, the nut that holds the light in, not good quality. The molding is horrible quality. Nothing fits right. These are garbage. I don't know why they got good ratings on Amazon, but I would probably go on Rock Auto and spend a little bit more money. So what I have to do is I have to cut out the original clips here, which are much better quality, and press them into the new light. It's a massive pain in the butt. Yeah, so here's the connector. Here's the mold lines, and it barely fits on there, and then when you tighten it, it's supposed to be very snug like it is on the OEM, but it's just very, very loose. So, pops off too, so we'll see how that works over time. Alright, so I got the new headlights in, so I didn't show you much. Just kind of wanted to show you the struggle with aftermarket headlight casings off Amazon. I also got these M-Light LED lights for about 40 bucks off Amazon, so we'll see how they work and test them out tonight and get them adjusted. And I'll make a video when it's dark, see how bright they are. The old halogen lights with the faded cases were horrible. You can barely see at night, so hopefully this is a lot better and safer.